Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about remaining Marquee tools in part 2. Okay. In our previous video we have completed about rectangular Marquee tool. Now we are going to discuss about remaining tools. Let's go about Optical Marquee tool. Okay. Here if we do right click you could able to see the second one is Optical Marquee tool. Okay. For that one we need to choose a new document. I have taken, let's select the elliptical option. Here select it. Okay, you could able to see the elliptical shape. If you want a perfect circle, hold shift. Okay, in any area you can select like this. Okay, similar same options will be there here also. Add to selection. If you want to increase this, it will increase. We can add the selection. Okay, now if you want to fill it, now if you want to fill this selection, press Ctrl backspace. Why? Because in the foreground we have a white color. Okay, for that sake I have taken a background color. To take a background color we need to click in our keyboard Ctrl plus backspace. Okay, to deselect the selection do Ctrl D. Okay, again I have selected one area. Now I am showing subtraction. Okay, uh, see now, it seems, yeah, I am subtracting from the section, so that is the one. So again Control backspace, Control D. Okay, fine. You all know about intersect. It's a section. This is a section. In center part we will get. Okay, Control backspace. Okay, fine. To undo everything, click Control Alt Z. Okay, fine. Now I am showing feather, softens edges of the section. So whatever you have selected, it will soften that one. You can't see here, so for that one I will take a picture as an example. Okay, so we have selected 20. I'm selecting. Okay, it's a move option, feather. Now I have applied feather 20 pixel. I will increase bit more, 30 pixel. Okay, Control C, Control V. Now you got. Okay, to differentiate that one, just take one more layer on it. By that one you can be able to easily understand. Okay, or earlier we have used right, just select that one, hit Alt in your keyboard and drag it anywhere where you require. Okay, so in practically where we will use, I will give one example. For example, if you are showing tourism of India or iconic places of India, see, we can take all monuments at one place. Okay, So this is the purpose of that one, right? Okay, we will go for remaining tools. Okay, single row marquee tool. Okay, come here, just do Control Alt Z, Control Alt Z. One second. Now select single. Okay, single row means this is a row. Okay, it's a horizontal. Now click in your keyboard, Control backspace. Okay, now deselect, Control D. You could able to see pink line, right? So this is the purpose of it. Wherever you require to need to separate the two sections, we can use this simple, like how we use guides, right? We will use guides for our uh, to divide the picture, right? To divide the document. So but our guides won't come on the document, but by using single row marquee tool we can see. Okay, fine. Now I am removing. Okay, now next one, single column marquee tool. It means single row we have seen, single column we have to see. So hit this one, select single column, click anywhere, do Control backspace, Control D. See how beautiful it was. It was the document divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, so these are the purpose of marquee tools. I mean, we can do more, but these are the best examples. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.